limited time, Galco is offering a deal on a bundle featuring Extech MG300 multimeter and DV25 voltage detector featuring over $70 in savings. Extech MG300 is a true RMS multimeter with a built-in insulation resistance testing feature. Additionally, it features wireless data streaming for remote monitoring and data logging and an IP67 rated housing for operation in demanding environments. This package includes a variety of additional accessories, complete with a rugged carrying case. The DV25 voltage detector is a non-contact voltage detector that combines two models into one rugged, double-molded housing. When inserted into a live electrical outlet or when live wire is detected nearby, the detector cone will illuminate and the detector will beep. This unit also features a built-in flashlight to help you locate outlets and wires in dimly lit environments. Supplies are limited, so get yours today at Galco.com.